This is Vega Blackhead remover tool, round, 99 rupees. Available on Nykaa, Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart. This is non-sponsored video, made in China product. This is a simple tool. Professional use this to extract blackheads, pimples and clog pores. Simply surround the blackhead, press gently to extract the whitehead or the blackhead. Review. I have only sensitive acne prone skin. I had bought this nearly 6 years ago. It is of very good quality still and useful to extract the whiteheads on the nose and forehead area. Do not overuse it. Good quality. You can also give it a try, but please don't use it on the dirty skin. First, wash your face and pat it dry. You can use the slightly warm water and then use the tool. I prefer to use once or twice in a month, but only when you really need this. Otherwise, no need to buy. That's my review. Thanks for watching.